Welcome to the EMC Group. With over 50 years in the motor trade, we are here to help you purchase your new or pre-loved Vauxhall. Our friendly staff are on hand to provide any advice you may need, and with an extensive selection of new and Network Q quality used Vauxhalls in stock, we're bound to have just what you're looking for. All our Network Q used Vauxhalls undergo a rigorous multi-point safety check by our fully qualified technicians and are prepared to the highest standards. Every car is fully valeted and comes with up to 12 months warranty, 12 months RAC cover, new MOT test and an annual service to ensure peace of mind motoring. Plus, have your vehicle regularly serviced with us and you will receive a free MOT test every time with our free MOT for life. To find out more about the Vauxhall in this video or check our current stock, please call us today on Uckfield 01825 700 500 or visit our website at www.emcgroup.co.uk.